Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive, stock number B9107P. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, which includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. 200 is in the mid-size car class, seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's also a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Backup camera. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. This 200S has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 9-speaker Alpine sound system, 506 watts of power, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 9-speed automatic transmission. It's put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. That 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owners. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9107P to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.